put that in, put it 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 in. Here we go, round one. Listen up.
Chevy Bunny.
Perfect, that's done.
Chevy Bunny.
Chevy Bunny.
First round's an easy round. Two more.
Oh.
Two more. Put in two more. Now soon they will not be able to contain their chubby bunnies, and the marshmallows will come out in a frothy white vomit. When that happens, they will use this bucket held by my assistant. Here we go, round two.
Chevy Bunny.
Perfect.
Chevy Bunny.
Nice.
Chevy Bunny.
Two more. Two more.
You know it.
Two more. Two more. Two more. Like a little geyser there, yeah. Two more. Here we go. Round. Wesley, you're dragging on me. Get that in there.
You got a chubby bunny, baby. Let's go.
Here we go. Round three. Okay, no, she didn't make it. Hold on. I heard that.
Chevy Bunny.
Alright, spit them out. Spit them
Spit them
out.
out. Spit them out. Spit them out. Oh, I love that. I notice that everybody watches too. They don't even avert their eyes, do they? But you know what? I thought you did very well. Now, do you have some friends? Where are your friends? Friends, hold up your hands. Good, good. Now look, she lost. She does not ever want to lose again. So every night, you will shove some marshmallows in her mouth. Now she'll bite you. You just sit right on her chest and you shove them in until she can do this one. Give her a round of applause.
All right, you two. You have a pillow fight.
Knock out with it.
All right. What you have in front of you is a pillow and a pillowcase. You have to open up the pillowcase, grab the pillow, shove the pillow inside the pillowcase. It has to go all the way in till none of the white is showing. Then you look at me and I'll give you a thumbs up. Once you get the thumbs up, you do part two, which is dump the pillow back out of the pillowcase. And the last thing you have to do, don't forget, is put the pillowcase neatly on the pillow, just like it is here.
Neatly. All right, here we go. Now, before we begin, I'd like to ask this question. That is, when is the last time, the very last time, that you changed your pillowcase? Okay, how about you? What was that? Wesley, ready? Here we go. What's your name? Whitney, you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3 days ago we did this very same show. And people said, you know what, it's too simple, it's too easy, there's no real challenge. And then my wife said, you know what, I bet if we put gloves on their hands, that'd make it harder.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, put the gloves on your hands. Put them on, put them on! Yeah. So what is going to happen? Same thing.
All right, you're good.
All right,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Here they go.
Let's go, Wes.
Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go!
Goddamn well, let's go.
We all have different techniques. Keep it going. Now I'll let everyone know that for Wesley this is very exciting because it reminds him of his first date.
That was next time. Now that was next time.
Let's go, Wes.
You should have gave up.
That's it! Winner by TKO, Wesley! frustrated, didn't you? Yeah. But you still get the Blizzard of Life t-shirt. Give her a round of applause. Wesley!
That's right.
You're the second round winner. You get a chance at a $20 bill. Now come up here. Okay, where are you from? Okay. Now everyone on the planet knows that Barack Obama is President of the United States. If you go to New Guinea, and you ask a pygmy, who is the President of the United States, you know what he'll say? I'll tell you, he'll say, I got to look at Barack Obama. But what I want to know for 20 clams is who is the Vice President? Oh, we always forget the pasty white guy. Who is?
It's Biden.
All right, make a multiple choice. Multiple choice.
Joe Biden.
It's either A, Joe Pesci, or B, Joe Biden.
Bing! Bing! Bing!
Biden, yes! Ah! Do not forget the coolest part. Yeah, valued at. Valued at. Valued at. $14.95. $14.95! Let's see if we come back to the final round.